Good morning, students. Today topic is Proteus bacteria. This bacteria commonly found in human intestinal tract. The bacteria Proteus mirabilis and Proteus vulgaris are medically important bacteria. Their morphological characteristics are they are gram-negative. They show the rod-like appearance. They are non-motile. They having non-capsulated body. They are peritrichous flagellar body, and they are non-lactose fermenting bacteria. They cause the 90% of proteus infection in human, and they cause the illness like urinary tract infection, septicemia, abdominal and wound infection, ulcer, burn, chronic discharge, ears, like all these infection they cause in the patient. In UTI infection, they cause the commonly infection in the catheterization पीरियड जब कैथराइजेशन होता है पेशेंट की उस ड्यूरिंग उस पीरियड में ये यूटीआई इन्फेक्शन कॉज करते हैं. नाउ द प्रोटिस वल्गैरिस स्पीसीज इज वन ऑफ द इम्पॉर्टेंट स्पीसीज इन दी नोजोकोमियल इन्फेक्शन. नोजोकोमियल इन्फेक्शन कॉज करने में इनकी काफ़ी रोल होता है. नाउ दे also cause the wound infection and UTI infection. You can diagnose these bacteria from the sample like urine, pus, blood, air discharge. In gram staining, they show the gram-negative bacteria-like appearance, having rod-shaped body, pleomorphic rod-shaped body, and without capsule. Culture characteristics are they produce the fishy odor. जब ये ग्रो करते हैं कल्चर में ब्लड अगार में, देन दे प्रोड्यूस द ऑर्डर लाइक फिश में जो ऑर्डर होता है उस लाइक प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. नाउ दे शो द डिसकंटिन्यूअस फार्मिंग व्हेन you they show the continuous forming produces concentric circle around the point of inoculation. जहाँ पे भी अब आप when you inoculate the bacteria in petri plate, they show the swarming appearance, and they also show this forming appearance in the nutrient agar media. Also show this forming property on McConkey, and they are non-lactose fermenting bacteria on McConkey agar, and they also show the swarming property in EMB media. Biochemical test. They species of Mirabilis, Proteus mirabilis, show the indole negative test, and the vulgaris species show the positive test. And they give the uraced positive test because they having the enzyme urase in their body, and this urase enzyme hydrolyze the urea into ammonia and carbon monoxide. So they give this purple color in the media. Now they show the gelatinase test positive because they have the gelatinase enzyme in their body, which is responsible for the liquefaction of gelatin. Now they give the oxidase negative test and catalase positive test. You can also do this all biochemical test with the help of a commercial available biochemical kit, and you can compare this test with the standard meter which is provided by the kit. Thank you.